Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's start the last part of this book review. So now we are going to cover the last chapter of this book, that is chapter 5, Exploring Space, and we are going to explore the space. So let's start this video, and today we are going to complete this whole book. Okay? So the name of the chapter is Exploring Space. So let's start. So you can see it's an astronaut, and you can see it's a vehicle. It's an imaginary picture. It is also written here. You can see someday astronaut will explore Mars. You can see it's a lightning, and it's the storm, and the astronaut is pointing towards it. And you can see it's a shelter, and you can see it's vehicles coming, and it is a solar collectors. Okay, so let's start this chapter and this video. Okay. First topic is rockets. So you can see it's the rocket is launching from I don't know from where it is launching, but the rocket is launching. You can see it is full of smoke. The place is of smoke, and you can see the rocket is going to explore the space mission. Let's start. Okay, a rocket's shape, let it zoom through the atmosphere. It's long and thin with a pointed nose. Okay, you can see it's the pointed nose, and this pointed nose zooms from the atmosphere to the space. The rocket starts its journey. Okay, the rocket that carried Curiosity to space to start its journey to Mars was called an Atlas V. The rocket that carried Curiosity into Mars to start its journey was called Atlas V. Okay, remember the Curiosity spacecraft, yes, the rocket carried Curiosity to explore Mars, and Curiosity started its journey. You can see. And my friends, there is a question: do you remember which year Curiosity was launched? Do you remember? I remember. The answer is 2011. Okay. Hint, see page 49. Wait, I will go to check. Yes, it's right. Okay, so rockets, and you can see it's the planet Earth, and it's a satellite. You can see weather satellites help us know if we should dress for rain, snow, sunshine. Okay, there are other satellites as well. Like when you watch TV, the connection of TV, there's a dish antenna called the antenna. From it get connection, and from the satellite. Okay, and you have observed also in rainy days you can't watch TV and the screen gets white. Okay, so let's begin the second topic. It is the International Space Station, the ISS. Okay, you can see in this picture it is shown that what an astronaut or a spacesuit has for functions. Okay, life support backpack. The number one is life support backpack. You can see there's a backpack for life support. Okay, there are some materials and for the astronaut. You can see it is a space helmet with sun visor. You can see it's a space helmet. You can see, and you can see it's heated gloves, and you can see it's it's a stripe to identify astronaut. Okay, and it is space boots. Okay, these boots are used to work in space. Okay, so you have that, and you can see it is ISS, which is International Space Station. Okay, I do remember the International Space Station orbits Earth. Okay, a space suit parts to protect the astronaut. Okay, it has parts to protect the astronaut. Okay, so you can see the ISS, and it is the ISS is about the size of a football field. Oh my god, very big, my friends. Do you think it would be fun to wear a spacesuit and walk in space? Yes, 100% it would be very fun. Okay, and you have observed the astronaut. The International Space Station ISS orbits Earth. Okay, and it was built by astronauts to work and live for a few weeks. Okay. So, welcome to our third topic, that is telescopes. Okay, so you can see the two persons are watching through the telescope. You can see. Okay, have you ever can see. I do not know. It's a question for you from me. Why you can see the clouds are so tall? Yes, you're right. Because it's a mountain. The telescopes are top of mountains because if the telescopes are in top mountains, the people will be able to see the space clearly. Okay, see the things in space clearly. Some of the largest telescopes on Earth are on top of mountains where air is clearer. Okay, the air is clearer because if your air is clearer, then if you look through the telescope, it will look clear when the objects that you are looking. Okay, you can see in the top of the mountain, so you can see the clouds are here, and up there are no clouds. Okay, have you ever looked through binoculars or a telescope to see faraway things better? I think you have seen. And you observe it. A telescope helps people see things that are too far away in space. To see with, or it is hard to see on their eyes. When you look through a telescope, you can see it closer and bigger. Okay, so that's why people use it. And the Hubble Space Telescope is a space telescope. It is the size of a school bus. So big. It is the biggest telescope, I think, but it is not used now. In 2008, a new telescope was used, and this Hubble Space Telescope was used earlier than the telescope didn't have anything. Okay, we read it. A school bus-sized telescope called the Hubble Space Telescope orbits Earth. The Hubble telescope has taken more than 1 billion pictures of planets, stars, and galaxies since 1990. It took these space photos. Wow, you can see it is looking like an ordinary little and small star, but it is not. It is a red supergiant star, and it is a nebula. It looks like a eye. Yes, it's a cat's eye nebula, and it is the Mystic Mountain Carina Nebula. Oh wow, excellent and fantastic picture. Flying above the atmosphere, the Hubble has an even better view of space than the telescope of top of mountain. The Hubble telescope, is a flying telescope. Okay, so it has a better view than the telescopes on mountains. Okay. So now we are going to discuss a topic that is called namely Goldilocks zone. Goldilocks zone is a zone in the space, and you can see it's a planet. No, it is not Earth, and it is an imaginary planet because the Earth do not have rings, and you can see it's a string type. No, it is a ring. Okay, and this is moon. Our moon is not so close because it's an imaginary planet. The scientists are finding more planets like Earth that has life on it. Okay. So look, it is written also imaginary planet, so it's an imaginary planet. Keep in your mind, okay? So you can see some planets in other solar system have 2 suns. So why? Many suns. Okay, NASA found a planet far away that is in a solid Goldilocks zone. Okay, NASA found a far away planet that is in the Goldilocks zone. Okay. Do you know the story of Goldilocks and the 3 bears? Goldilocks liked things that were just right. I think you know because everybody knows this story. So the last topic of this book is living on Mars. You can see it's an imaginary picture too. You can see an artist imagine this motor home for explorers to on Mars use someday. If there is a space station on Mars, would you like to visit? It's written here. If there is a space station on Mars where you are grown up, do you would like to visit it? I think so. I would 100% like to visit it. You can see it's solar panels for power. You can see it's a motor home and it has some functions. You can see it's solar panels for power, and you can see it's coasted windows, and you can see it's an astronaut, and you can see it's huge tires of the motorway house. You can see its tools. Okay, so these are some. It is imagined, not real. So you can see living on Mars. We will read it. Scientists think that someday people will visit Mars, but that won't happen for a very long time. Yes, it's also right. Before that, people like you may be able to travel to space in a spacecraft that looks like an airplane. So this spacecraft is called this is the Virgin Galactic spacecraft in a test flight over California. Okay, these spacecraft are called the Virgin Galactic spacecraft, and it is in a test flight of above California. Okay, so we have covered the whole chapter, the whole book, and now it's the solar system map, and so we are going to read and see. So in this way, all planets are here in our solar system. Okay, you can see it's our sun, and the shapes are and the sizes and distance are not to scale. Okay, you can see this purple line is asteroid belt. It is explained in a very nice way. Okay, and it is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Ceres. Okay, look, it is in the purple. It is the asteroid belt. It is also it is asteroid belt. Okay. After Ceres, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. So it was solar system map. Let's read it. Solar system map. Use a diagram to see the order of the planets and dwarf planets in orbit around the sun. The planets are not to scale. Rocky planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Gaseous: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And dwarf planets are Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. Thank you so much for being in this video with me, and we have covered the whole chapter and the whole book. Thank you so much for watching. Next video, I am not going to tell you what I am going to upload, but soon, after 2 to 3 days, I will upload a new video, and you will get a preview and then a book review. And so, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. And we have completed this whole book review. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will upload a new video. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much.